Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of my channel. In this video, we want to make one beautiful and very easy baby blanket pattern together. This pattern is made by only 2 rows. If you're ready to make this beautiful pattern, let's get started.
I start the work with a slip knot and then make a multiple of 12 chains plus 3. I made 39 chains totally, and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chain and go to the next chain and make 4 double crochet into that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains. 1 double crochet into the next, and 1 double crochet into the next. And now again make 4 double crochet into next chain. Okay, now make a chain and skip next 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and go to the next and make 1 single crochet. Again, make a chain and skip next 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat that work. Skip 1, 2, 3 and make 4 double into next chain. Make 1 double into each of next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 4 double into next chain. And after that make a chain, skip next 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make 1 single crochet into the next. And make a chain and skip next 1, 2, 3 chain and repeat this sequence. Now I'm at the end of the row. After this repeat, skip 1, 2 and 3 and make 4 double into next chain. Make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. Make 4 double into the next. Okay, now I'm at the end of the row. Make a chain and skip next 1 and 2 chain and make 1 double crochet into last chain. and row 1 is finished. Now start row 2. Make a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first double crochet here, and then make a chain. Now we have 4 double crochet into same chain. We have to make 1 front post single crochet around each of them. Insert the hook around the first double crochet and make 1 front post single crochet. Go to the next double crochet and make 1 front post single crochet, and repeat that for next 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. We made 4 front post single crochet, and after these 4 front post single crochet, make 1 chain and go to next 3 double crochet and make 1 back post double crochet around each of them. Yarn over, insert the hook from the back around the first double crochet and make 1 back post double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook from the back around the next double crochet and make 1 back post double crochet, and for last time repeat that work. After these 3 back posts, make a chain and go to next 4 double crochets, and again make 1 front post single crochet around each of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make 2 chain and skip this single crochet and go to next repeat. Again, make 1 front post single crochet around each of first 4 double crochet, then make a chain and make 1 back post double crochet around each of next 3 double crochet. Again, make a chain and make 1 front post single crochet around each of next 4 double crochets. Make 2 chain and skip next single crochet and repeat that work until the end. At the end of row 2, after last group, make a chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain from the here, 1 and 2. And row 2 is finished. Now start row 3 with 3 chain and turn the work. In this row, we skip these 4 single and 4 single, and we work into this chain 1 space and this chain 1 space and around these 3 front posts. First make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space. After these 4 front post single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make 1 front post double crochet around these 3 back posts of previous row. Yarn over, insert the hook around the first back post and make 1 front post. Again, make 1 front post double crochet around the next back post, and for last time make 1 front post around the next back post, and then make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space after these 3. Okay, and after that make a chain and skip these 4 single crochet and make 1 single crochet into this chain 2 space and make a chain and repeat that work. Skip these 4 single crochet, make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space, then make 1 front post double crochet around each of next 3 back posts, and again make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space. Then skip next 4 single crochet, make a chain and 1 single crochet into next chain 2 space and repeat that work. Make a chain, repeat that work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 3, and after last repeat again skip next 4 single crochet and without chaining make 1 double crochet into last stitch of previous row, that's a single crochet here. Now for row 4, make a chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. First make 1 single crochet into this first stitch, then make a chain and make 1 front post single crochet around each of first 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a chain and make 1 back post double crochet around next 3 double crochets. One, 2, and 3. Make a chain and make 1 front post single crochet around next 4 double crochet. Make 2 chain and skip this single crochet and repeat that work for next stitches. Make 1 single crochet front post around first 4 doubles, then make a chain and make 1 back post double crochet around middle front post, make a chain and make 1 front post single crochet around last 4 double crochets, then make 2 chain and skip this single crochet and repeat that work until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 4, and after the last group make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into these turning chains here. Row 4 is finished. Make 3 chain and turn the work and repeat row 3. Skip first 4 single crochet, then make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space after that, then make 1 front post double crochet around each of next 3 back post double crochets, and then make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space and skip next 4 single crochet, then make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into this chain 2 space and repeat that work until the end. And after that we have to repeat row 4. These 2 rows, row 3 and row 4, should be repeated several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated those 2 rows, row 3 and row 4, and now this is the front view of my 3D pattern, and this is the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.